Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you a quick review of the RIZOMA iRide 2-in-1 motorcycle turn signals. This is my 2022 Kawasaki Z900RS that I bought brand new last spring actually. It's a wonderful bike, but in true Kawasaki efficient fashion, they decided to put their standard incandescent, futuristic, modern-looking turn signals. This is a bike with a lot of curves, including this round headlight, and I felt like it needed some better turn signals. So I went with these. These RIZOMAs are not cheap, but I want to show them to you and then give you an idea of what I think of them. So, as you can see, this is how these lights work when they're not being used to turn. The fronts actually act as additional running lights, and I think they look great on this Z900RS with this single circular headlight. If we come to the rear, you'll see that we have additional tail lights. These also function as brake lights, which I'll show you here in just a second. So as you can see, they give a great look as far as the braking action, which makes you more visible, and that helps keep you safe, as well as give you a stylish look. Now, these are turn signals, and so they're also excellent at the business of turning, unsurprisingly. Let's go around to the front and take a look at those as well. As you can see, they're exceptionally bright. So not only do you have stylish running lights, but you have amazing turn signals as well. I especially like the side view. It's not meant to be extra visible, but it lets people know that you are turning from the side, which, as we know as motorcyclists, can help keep us safe. And there's that side view on the back. All right, these are great turn signals. They're some of my favorites. And on this beautiful Z900RS, they definitely fit the bill for me. But they're not perfect. They're very expensive. Roughly between 80 and 100 bucks a signal. And they do not come in pairs. Depending on the age of your bike, you will have to change out your flasher relay and possibly add load equalizers. Kawasaki does by default not have running lights or brake lights integrated in their turn signals. So if you want to do this, you're going to also have to splice wires. In some cases, that may mean getting out the multimeter and making sure that the wire that you think is the correct wire is in fact the correct wire. Is it difficult? Absolutely not. But at roughly $400, all said and done, for turn signals, it's something to consider. I love these signals. I love RIZOMA products in general, and I would not do anything different. But if you find a cheaper option that gives you the same look and feel, there's nothing wrong with that either. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.